Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about HTML classes. Okay, or you can say that HTML class attributes. So first of all, the basic meaning of this class attributes. The class attribute can be used on any HTML element. That is the one thing. Second thing, it is case sensitive. Okay, and syntax for writing this class attributes. Okay, to create a class, okay, we have to write dot. Okay, we have example over here, but this is just the introduction thing actually. So you have to write dot and then class name, and after that you have to define your CSS properties within the curly brackets. Okay, so we have a simple example over here. Okay, like uh, in the first we will start with the body section actually. Okay, so this is nothing but the body section where we have h2 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 and h2, that means the same tag. Okay, but for the first one we are not using any class name for the first one, but remaining three h2 we are using class name. So before you close this angle bracket, because inside that only you have to write class equal to, and whatever name you want to give, you can give in double quotation. Okay, so that means for this h2 tag, class is what? City, and this is your message content. Same way for this h2, class is also city and this is content, and for this h2 also class is city and this is the content. And now coming to the head section, that is this one. As I said, you have to first write dot, that is the first thing. Then as per this, what is the class name? City. So you have to write the class name, that is the second thing. And then third, between the curly brackets, you have to write your CSS properties, like for example color colon red. That means wherever class equal to city is there, only that places text color will be red. So let's check the output of this. See, we are not getting red color for the first one because it was just a normal H2, not the class equal to city. But for remaining three, we are getting text color as what? Red, that is for London, Paris and what? Tokyo. So that is all about having one class for multiple elements, but same elements. Now the second concept. Okay, suppose you have two different class. One is class city and one is class main. Okay, and suppose for this h2 you want class city also and main also. That means if you want two class or multiple class, then what exactly you have to write is h2 space class equal to whatever is your first class name, then here space. Now I am going to write one more name, that will be the one more class name, that is main. Okay, and I'm obviously going to define over here dot main. Okay, so suppose if I write dot and if I write main and curly bracket, and if I write text dash align. Okay, these are all CSS properties actually. Text dash align, and then if I write, suppose I want center. Okay, only where the class name is what? Main. So obviously we have three h2 statements over here, where for the first one class is city as well as main. It means London will be a red color, that is the first thing, and it will be at the center. But remaining two, they have only class city, that means they will have only text color as what? Red. So control S, and let's check the output of this also. See, all three a red color, that is the first thing, but only London with the red and center alignment also, because that London text or content, you can say, is using two class, that is city also and main also. Okay, the next thing is here all are H2 only, but suppose this is H2 for example, and this is suppose paragraph. Okay, not H2. That means different elements. Okay, so different elements can also share the same class name. Okay, suppose this is also paragraph. Yeah, Control S, and let's check the output. This is H2 and this is paragraph. It means two different elements, but they both are sharing the same class name, which is city. Okay, see, we are getting the output. For this it is London, and obviously it is not H2, H3, H4, it is paragraph. That's why it is a normal font rather than bold or dark. Okay, so that is all about HTML classes. We'll just summarize actually. Suppose you have same elements H2, 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 and class name is city. So you have to write in the style sheet part, you have to write dot city, curly bracket, and whatever properties you want to use. That is one thing. Suppose you have a multiple class, then you can use multiple class like this. Okay, and suppose you have different elements H2, paragraph, or something else also, they both can share same class also. So that is all about HTML class attributes. In my next video we will talk about HTML ID attributes, and also difference between HTML class attributes and ID attributes, because they both are almost similar, the only one or two minor difference. Thank you everyone.